Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Talking with Cars, and today what we're going to do is we're going to clean up the wheels for the Porsche 911 for the Concours. We're going to take it one wheel at a time and then kind of go through the cleaning process. There's a couple things that we're using right now. So we're using the iron, right? Just in case there's any iron wheel cleaner from ABS. And we're using their tire cleaner, right, for obvious reasons, for the tire, to get that all set up. We do have the decon soap in a bucket with some water. We have our wash mitt, we have our scrub brush, all that kind of good stuff. So let's get right to it. This is Talking with Cars. All right, so what you're gonna see is you're gonna see this wheel that needs a little bit of help. The interior wheel wells or the barrels actually have never been cleaned in 20 years. So I'm gonna show you some video of the condition of the wheels, so you can see what we're contending with, and hopefully with the sunlight you can see it. But yeah, I think you can tell right there that this needs a little help. But we already did one wheel and it came out great, so I already have high expectations for all of these products. But we're going to show you a before and after on half of this wheel. We're going to show you what the condition looks like and what it looks like afterwards. So let's take it from there. Let's start with the wheel itself. Let's go with the wheel cleaner and go ahead and spray that on. And I'm doing this without a pressure washer. I'm doing this all by hand. And by the way, this wheel cleaner smells awesome. It smells like citrusy. And it's not even like an APC or anything like that, but it does smell great. And it's already starting to break it up. You can kind of see it, and I'll take close-ups with my phone. You can see it breaking up. Look at that. Not taking a lot to clean that off, and that's 20 years of grime, by the way. So it is doing a good job of cleaning the surface. I'm going to let that sit. I'm going to let that dwell. I'm going to go ahead and spray the rest of the wheel and or the barrel, and then get that cleaned up. So get my phone out of the way, put a little bit more of the wheel cleaner on the surface so the whole thing gets saturated. And I don't know, I believe this has a wheel, it's a wheel cleaner, but it also has, I believe, iron removers, right? So ferrous metal dissolver to break down the brake dust and other grime. So this is, yeah, you could see it definitely has an iron remover on it. Holy cow. So I'm going to take a video of this so you can take a look at this iron remover and what this is doing. But holy cow, it is bleeding everywhere. So yeah, there's a lot of iron on the inside of this, barrel, I should say. But wow, okay, it's definitely breaking it down. So we're going to let that dissolve. We're going to go ahead and spray a little bit more on there, and it smells great. I don't even smell the iron remover in this. It's not like your typical iron remover, like, you know, even like their iron right here, you know. We don't need to use this, but that smells great, actually. I mean, it doesn't smell that bad at all compared to some of the other products that I've tried. So I guess we're just going to let this dwell for a moment. We're going to go ahead and scrub that up. We're going to use your typical scrub brush like this right here. And then that's what we're going to use to basically clean up the inside of this. And then we're just using a hose, right? Garden hose with a little sprayer. And we're going to just clean it up, like spoke by spoke, you know, the entire inside of this wheel. We're going to go ahead and do the tire itself with tire. And I guess I could do that now, you know, while it's dwelling. And the wind is kind of getting the best of me here, but we're going to let that dwell for a little bit. We're going to use the other scrub brush that I have specifically designed for wheels. We're going to go ahead and do that. So let's scrub that up, get the browning off. And I'm using the Adams wheel stand, which is an incredible purchase, by the way. So I'll put a link for that down below. But that's super helpful. We're going to get this browning off. Let the wheel cleaner. Jeff, this stuff definitely has iron remover in it. Yeah. Look how red this is. This is nuts. What the hell? Wow. Look at that. Wow. Okay, so that's cleaning it up. So we're going to let that dwell while we do this. And then I'll scrub the insides. I'll start doing that now. Jeez. What a difference. This stuff is incredible. This is probably one of the best purchases I made. This wheel stand.
Well, it's handy here.
Oh yeah, check depth. What does it look like?
6, just between 5 and 6.
And what does it need to be?
Well, new they're like 7.
7? Oh, so it's not too bad. What are these, Continentals? Yeah, right. Nice tires. I don't think the judges are going to see the backs of these spokes, but
Yeah, but
you know what?
well, you got them out with it.
Yeah, just get them done. And I'm doing the inside of the wheel spokes here, and I'm going to use a little bit of a scrub brush to try to get into the like the little nooks and crannies, like where the lettering is. But not a huge deal, but it's gotten a lot of it off, big time. It's really, what a difference! Holy cow! So let me put some more wheel cleaner. All right. So the browning on the tire was instant. The cleaning, the iron remover, everything that you need for a wheel cleaner is in that mix. And it's already diluted. So now we're going to do the fun side. We're going to do the wheel side itself. Saturate that with wheel cleaner. Let it dwell. And then while we're letting that dwell, we're going to do the tires. These have little nooks and crannies all over. It's multi-spoke. Oh, that stuff smells good. And for the Concours, what we're trying to do is we're trying to get this wheel, this tire, to look as OEM as possible, right? We're not putting any dressings on it or anything like that. We're just going to keep it as bare and as black as possible without putting any dressings. So that's the objective for the car show. Because that's, if the judge comes in and he starts swiping it and it's slick, they're going to knock points off. So we're going to keep it as original, as black, and as OEM as possible. We're going to go to every single one of these one by one, clean them. And this is the beauty of this wheel stand, is that I can turn it as I go. Just sitting on a bucket, cleaning it one by one. Get inside of these like little crannies, these little corners right in here, because that's where grime collects. And that's what you're going to see as a judge. You're going to look inside these like little corners. But they have 5 minutes a car, so whatever they can pick up in 5 minutes.
Got my laundry done.
You got the laundry done? With the microfiber towels? Yeah. Did they come out okay? That detergent that you got, what is that called? Yeah. But that's specifically for microfiber. I got to get into this like little 57, 857 right here. Try to clean that up as much as possible. I don't want to use anything that'll scratch either. Yeah, it says 857, and of course it has to be the number 8, so it collects the most dirt inside the 8. Okay. Same. Do the rears have different numbers? All right, seen a couple spots I'm missing. This tire was a little more difficult, unless I'm just noticing it more.
The edge of the roadside.
Yeah. Collecting more dirt. Okay. All right, so conclusions, bottom line. Would I recommend wheel cleaner from ADS along with their tire cleaner? 100%. 100% would recommend it. It took that wheel, barrels that were not cleaned in 20 years, right, Jeff? 20 years, never cleaned, took those wheels and brought them back to new. You know, I mean, I could go a little bit crazy. I can polish them and go nuts. But no, not necessary. Not necessary at all. So I think we're just looking for very, very clean. So when the judge walks around and he looks at it, it's going to be acceptable. So we put a little bit of sealant on it, put it back on the car. The tires look very original, OEM. They don't look slick. They don't feel slick to the touch. So I think they're perfect. So I think we're going to get this on the car, do the other two, and that's it. See you on the next one. Peace.